Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to block a context on your iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go into our contacts. So let's just go open this phone symbols, and after that go click the context. And now we just need to find which contacts that you want to block. For example, I would like to do this. Okay, found it. Let's do this. So probably like it's already taken by someone who you are not recognized anymore, or you have a project with together with her or him, but then the project is already done. You just need to block it to make you like do not disrupt you with the notification or anything else, or broadcast or something. Okay, how to block it? You just need to open the contact that you want to block, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found a block this color, and then you just need to click it, and now you just need to confirm that you want to block this contact. And now you already block this contact on your iPhone. So that's all the way how to block a contact in an iPhone. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.